So it seems like I didn't learn my lesson from yesterday, so I'm going for the 2 times spicy ramen. I'm gonna make it, same instructions as you saw yesterday. And when it's all done, I will be back for some mukbang action. Stay tuned. Hi! So I'm back. I decided that I'm gonna try this 2 times spicy, as if yesterday wasn't hot enough for me. No. Yeah, it was hot enough. Whew, but I'm gonna try even spicier because you know what? I like a challenge. So even as I was mixing it up, making it, I could tell. Whew. Girl, it's gonna be spicy. I'm scared. Oh, there it is. Oh. Okay, I can do this. It's good. It tastes just like the other one, but like maybe 2 seconds, 3 seconds after, BAM! Hit you with that spice. Really like it though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna try to eat it as fast as possible because the faster you eat it, the less you notice it's spicy. I love spicy food. Oh my God. It's really, really, really spicy though. You can tell I'm breaking a sweat. And yes, it's hot in Florida, but my AC is down to like 74, so this is all the noodles. Whew. I need a break. Okay, I'm back. Whew. I didn't drink a glass of water. We saw some saltine. That's what I need. Saltine crackers. Hold that. Okay. So spicy. Ooh. Like the only thing that can cut the spice when you're dying, saltine crackers or milk. I'm lactose, so saltine crackers. I'm dying, guys, but it's really good. So, oh no, not my dogs. I'm mukbanging. Get in my belly. Sorry about that. I had to let the dog out because it was a squirrel and I have a beagle and she goes crazy. So back to my mukbang. See, same amount. I'm not trying to cheat y'all. I'm gonna finish this whole thing. Is this? And I'm gonna finish it. My eye on the prize. I eat this stuff fast. It's like not as spicy when you're eating it, but as soon as I take a minute, my lips are on fire. Try to avoid the lips. All about slurping stuff, but it's so hot. But it's so good. Now my whole face is gonna burn. Ooh. Literally. Feel my nose. I can tell you this is spicy. I'm waiting on my saltines. I'm not gonna eat them yet until I'm done with this because it's gonna take like a good 30 minutes to get this spice out of my mouth. But it's so good. I'm eating it so fast because it's so spicy. Maybe when I'm editing, I'll go back and like slow-mo so you can enjoy the mukbang, because that was power hour mukbangs. It's so hot. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a fast eater, but I don't think I've ever eaten something so fast. So I'm just trying to get it in. About to finish the challenge. In under probably 5 minutes. Bam. Done. 2 times spicy. Ate the whole pack. Never could have done it if I hadn't speed eat it because it's so hot. Right now I'm dying. Oh my God. Yep. It's like, oh, the water's running down my throat. Oh my God. My lips are like swollen, like I have lip plumper on. Oops. I'm so hot, I don't even know what I'm doing to myself. These are key. Anybody that likes spicy stuff, saltines are key. My lips are running so bad, I'm gonna like absorb. Well, I'm glad I passed the challenge, but oh my God, my eyes are watering. I don't think I'll ever eat that 2 times spicy one again. If I do, I gotta cut it with like, oh my God, my eyes, my eyes. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. I can't believe how hot that was. And I'm just waiting for what it's going to do to my insides. It's only in relief when I drink water. Don't try this at home. I deserve a like for that. And a subscription. Hit that subscribe. I'll be back with more spicy food. But beware of the 2 times spicy. Pray to God that it doesn't give me the spicy poops later. Oh, and I also got more Flamin' Hot Cheetos while I was at the store because, you know, I like pain. Good talk, guys.